An amazing effect of having a dog is not just the pleasure of having a pet, but having a companion. For goodness sakes, it's amazing. She's more than a pet. She's in fact a companion. And I think that in many ways, she conceives of herself as taking care of me. She'll walk alongside me, make sure that I'm not tripping. You know, I'm 85 years old. I'm an old guy. I could trip. She provides for all of that. Amazingly, a stunningly effective companion and even relative in an adopted sort of way. Just stunning. Amazingly pleasure-filled.